Hello, good afternoon. I'm Tenya Tony, and today I'm going to take you through graphics again. I'm back, and today our topic for today is how to beautify a photo using Photoshop. So this is what we are going to go through, but you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Beautify Uganda e-learning, and click on the bell and personalize so that every video that I'm dropping, you can have it, you can watch it, it can come in your playlists. This is my number here, so if there is anything you need to inquire personally, that is my contact. Now let us go for our video. So now this is our Photoshop. I'm going to fetch my photo that I'm going to work on. I can just double click and it will bring me my files here, my folders. The image you are going to work on is on the desktop, and I placed, and it is in the folder called Black Girl. I choose this. We are going to work onto this image here. So here is our image, and we are going to beautify this image. You can look, if I zooming is Control plus, then zooming out is Control minus. So we are going to use some tools here, and we are going to use we have a lot of tools. We have blur tool. We have a lot of tools that we are going to use. We have some spot healing, punch tool, a lot that we are going to use. I remember last time taking you through a tutorial video of how to change a background, but today it will not be the case, even though the background is rough, but we are going through another thing. So we can start with this. The first thing we need to do to this image, you need to first crop it. First crop the image. Even if you don't change the sizes and what, but just tap in it, just click cropping tool, then tap in the image. After, click OK, then check the layers. Is the layer unlocked or locked? So my layer is locked. Double click, say OK, and it is unlocked, so you can do anything with the image. Then after this, I will come here to filter. Then I will come to Imaginomic. Then I will come to noise where profession, and my image will be brought in here. It will be brought in here, so you can look out. You see this? They are just bringing me the cheek only, the cheek. So if you want to cover the whole, to take the whole photo, so that you can work on the whole photo, not just a part of the person, you click Control minus, then it will cover the whole image. Then you just have to play around with these luminosity colors, but for my case I'll not change a lot because this is how I want it to be. But most of the time, if you want to beautify an image here in Noiseware, your luminance has to be high, then you balance the colors, then the sharpening should not be on. You can turn it off sometimes you put it there but a little bit. But you can see my luminance is high all over. Here is high. My contrast is also high. So I'll just click OK. Just give it a few minutes. So my image has changed a little bit. It has changed a little bit. The way how it was is not the way how it is. Now we are going to go part to part, so that we remove what we don't want. You can see this is a pimple. So we are going to brush her face. So the next thing I can do, I can come here, spot healing, then I right click, then I will choose this punch tool, then I'll come here, try to circle around this pimple, then I'll move it away. So when you move it away to a clear part, because you are getting the pimple, then taking it to somewhere where to another part which is okay. Then the other part which is okay will come automatically to where the pimple was. So after you click Ctrl D, that is deselect. So you see it has gone away. It has gone away. Simple and precise. So another thing, we can use another tool here. We can use this dog tool to clean up the face and what. But for this one, you have to make sure that the strength is low, because when the strength is high, it will damage the image. Just look, the strength is high. You see this, you see, and if it is more higher, it will disorganize the image and you will not like it. So let me take it back, Ctrl Z. If you want to take it back many times, it is Ctrl Alt Z. I'll come here on the strength, then I'll try to lower it, put it at 3 or 2%. So it is at 3%. So since it is at 3%, then I'll start using my tool. I can enlarge it a bit. Then I can zoom my photo well a little bit more. Then I'll start brushing it around slowly by slowly. Start brushing it around. I don't know whether you are seeing some change, but me, I'm seeing it. I'll start brushing it around the face. After brushing the photo, we have brushed her face well. After brushing, the next thing would be here. When you come here on image, there is when you come here on image, we have a lot of things here. you can check out on this adjustment, then brightness contrast. With this, you can a little bit try to increase on the contrast a little bit. You see how it is coming, a little bit on the contrast and a little bit on the brightness too. Yes, I think again that is better. I think that is better. So then we click OK. I think that is cool. Then we can come here, Control M, Control M. You first click on the move tool, then Control M. Then this is a curve for brightness, so we can try to increase some brightness a little bit. Click OK. So now after all that we have done, we have beautified our image. Our main target was to beautify the image to make it look more good, basically the face. So we can compare. This is what we have done and this is how it was before. It was like this with the pimples. It wasn't looking nice, but now it is like this. Isn't it better? More than before it was, because when you are working on when you are beautifying someone, most of the time you should try not to change the client's color or the person's color or the person in the image. The person in the image has to still look real, but most of the people try to brighten these images. They try to make someone too light-skinned, yet the person is not light-skinned. So you should have to balance. You have to balance. The person has to look good, but in his or her color. Because when you change the person's color, then you have changed the meaning and you have changed the person. Because if the person you are working on is black, you have to work on the person and it remains in his color. But you know, beauty it doesn't mean that you have to be black you have to be light-skinned only to be beautiful. No, even if you are black, even if however or chocolate like this one, still you can be beautiful. So that was my video for today. That was my video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to we thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing to Shareability Uganda e-learning. You can check out more videos. I'm still coming in with a lot of videos, tutorials about graphics. Thank you so much.